Alright, hey everyone. So today I'm making a video on how to create your own UI colors. So of course we can customize our own colors on the GUI by changing the RGB values to kind of make our own custom shade or anything like that. But when changing colors in code, there are certain colors that are predefined by Apple. So right now I'm on the Apple documentation site, and there are a certain number of colors that are already set. So for example, if you reference like black, blue, brown, the Xcode is going to know what you're talking about. So I'm just going to scroll through some of these. So they're pretty basic colors. So the question is, what happens when you want more colors than this? Now I'm going to show you a demo of our app, but we have an app that needs a lot more colors than this to function, and so that was a question that we had throughout our app creating process. Okay, so if we go into our app, it's called Hotseat. If you guys were in comp sci last year, 2019, you already have seen a demo of this, but I'm just going to show you where the colors kind of come into play. So I've pre-made a couple periods already, so we're just going to jump right in. Just going to make some groups. Let's go 2 people in a group. So we have got some fun colors going on here. These are not just your normal cyan, brown, black, yellow, that type of thing. We've got some custom purples, some custom blues, a bunch of different shades. And so those were achieved by creating our own colors. So if we go into our code, of course, code doesn't make any sense in your context, but let's just focus on the color names right now. So we've got red, white, gray, green, yellow, blue, purple, cyan, magenta, light gray, dark gray, and then we've got our custom colors. So I created these names, but so we've got silly blue, mac and cheese, baby pink, lilac, and you can read the rest. So anyway, we're going to get into how you can make these yourself. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to Assets. Now this is where all your colors are going to go. So let's click this plus at the bottom. We're going to create a new color set. So this color is going to pop up right here. These are the ones I've already created and our app icon image. So you're just going to click on this box and it's going to pop up with the quarters. So we can play around with the RGB values just to see what kind of red, green, and blue content we want in the color. Let's see. I think I'm going to go for kind of an orangey color. Alright, so I am going to call this Peach. Now whenever you name it here, you're going to reference throughout your app. So, we've got the color all set. Now to reference it, this is going to be custom to your own app, but this is how you reference a color. So we're going to say let peach color equals UI color. Now since Xcode doesn't know that your the color that you made is like in the system as a predefined color, you're gonna have to reference it. So from now on, whenever I reference peach color, it's gonna know that we named it peach. So how do you use this? So you can use it in the code, and referencing it whenever you need to change a color of, say, a collection view cell when a button is clicked, but you can also use it in the storyboard. So if you have a color that you don't really want to remember the number values of, if you have a color that you just want to save, this is a great way to do it. So if I want to change the color of this button, all the colors I have are under named colors. So instead of worrying about it being in recently used, you can go ahead and have that color right there. So it's a really great tool to make it in your assets catalog. So I think that about wraps up our little tutorial. I hope you guys have a great year and good luck.